How to remove parental control on Google account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, when you try to open up your Play Store and go to your profile, and over here when you click on the option of settings and then click on this option of family, you would be able to find the parental controls. If it is turned on, then when you try to turn it off, it would ask you a PIN. And since we don't have the PIN, so what we will do is we will open up the settings of our phone. And here we will just scroll down and we will find the option of app settings. Simply open it up, then click on the option of manage apps. And after that, you would have to search for Play Store. Just simply select Google Play Store and then click on the option of storage. Over here, you would be able to find the option of clear data. Just simply click on it. After that, select the option of clear cache memory. And this way, you would be able to remove the PIN for your parental controls, and your parental controls will be turned off after this. And this is how you remove parental control on Google account. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.